Hi everyone, welcome to Math channel. Today we are going to discuss the important problems from complex numbers. If 1 minus iota into 2 minus iota into 3 minus iota into 4 minus iota and so on 1 minus n I equal to x minus iy. Then prove that 2 into 5 into 10 into so on 1 plus n square is equal to x square plus y square. This is the proof that. And the second one, if z is equal to 2 minus 3i, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. What is the difference between these two sums? He asked here, prove that. Here show that. What is the difference between prove that and show that? They gave some value and you give the sum 2 into 5 into 10 and so on 1 plus n square is equal to x square plus y square. Prepare చేయాలి. This value 2, 5, 10 so on are equal to x square. Here in the second equation, if z is equal to 2 minus 3a, then show that z square minus 4z plus 13 equal to 0. So he gave some value, you have to put in the given equation. This value are goes to 0. This is the show that. In this sum, you have to use this value, then you have to prove that. Prove that means you prepare this equation from the given value. So first one you have to take this one. Every value you have to take the modulus of the given function. Every value have to take the modulus of the given function on both sides. You know the formula z is equal to x plus iota y. I means imaginary number. We have to pronounce the iota. Z is equal to, so you know the mod z is equal root over x square plus y square. This is the formula for the mod of zx. So this value, first one is the 1 root of 1 square plus 1 square. 1 square plus I square means plus 1. So here next one 2 square. 2 square minus 1 whole square means 2 square plus 1 square minus I square means minus 1 whole square means plus 1 into 3 square plus 1 so on 1 minus n square 1 minus n square.